Welcome back everyone. So this is level 2 of the floor core exercises. So I have 5 exercises for you today. Some of them are a review or just a little bit more advanced from level 1. So let's get started. So we'll start with the bird dog. So I'm going on the hands and knees, but this time instead of using one limb, we're going to do both limbs. So one arm and one leg going at the same time. So let's go down into that position. So hands are underneath the shoulders, knees are underneath the hips as much as you can. Ideally, if you have a mirror, you can kind of have that beside you so you can see yourself and see your form. So let's bring a hand up. So thumb comes up and the foot goes up as well, and try to flex that foot and try and be in a straight line. Your gaze is down towards the floor or slightly in front. And coming down and switching to the other side, holding for 3, 2, 1, and down. Let's go again. 3, 2, 1, and down. Other side. 3, 2, 1, and down. This is 3, 2, 1, and down. Other side. 3, 2, 1. We're going to do 2 more on each side. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Last time on each side. 3, 2, 1. And the opposite side. 3, 2, 1. So just bringing yourself all the way down onto the floor this time. So going onto your stomach. We're going to have the hands in front, the feet behind, and we're just going to do a similar exercise, so lifting opposite hand and opposite foot off the floor. So rather than having your head up like this, try and relax your head so your face is almost against the floor so you don't strain your neck. I'll turn my head a little bit just so you can hear me a little bit better, but otherwise you're just looking down. Ready? So just bringing an opposite foot and opposite hand up. So just slightly off the floor and down. Switching to the other side and down. Switch and switch. This is 3 and 3 and 4, 4, 1 more on each side, and 5 and 5. Excellent. So just bringing the hands close to you, turning onto your side, and then pressing yourself back up. It's a little bit of an easier way to get up. So for the next one, we're going to do the same thing that we did in level 1, but a little bit harder this time. So coming onto your back, if you have that towel, you can put that towel underneath the small of your back. So let's bring the knees up. Now this time we are going to have the knees at 90 degrees rather than like this. Last time our knees were a little bit closer to our chest. So this time we're bringing them down a bit. We are tapping down and then bring it up. Now remember to engage the abs. So think about pressing your back into the floor. If you want, you can have your hands here so you can make sure that your abs are tight, that you're actually engaging your abs. So if you have them in the lower part, you'll definitely feel it. Okay, let's go together. So bring that foot down and coming up. Now if you feel that your back is raising off the floor, then just bring your foot part way down. Let's continue. And up, switch sides. Continuing to breathe, don't hold your breath. So really focus on the exercise. Focus on feeling that in your abdominals. As you press down with your hands, you should definitely feel that your abs are tight. So you can just continue going at whatever pace feels right for you. Pressing your back into the floor. Let's do 2 more on each side. And last one. Excellent. And then you can go onto your side. So we are going to do a side plank. These can be a little bit challenging, so we are going to make it a little bit easier. So have your knees bent, and then you can have one leg out. And what we're going to do is we're going to press ourselves up like this. So try to be in a straight line, so your head is in a straight line with your body, and you're just holding yourself up. Okay, so let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, we're going to 15, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Bring your hip down. Excellent, and then we'll switch to the other side. Okay, you ready? Okay, getting into position, let's bend our legs so we're all starting at the same time, and then bring one foot in front, having that foot so it's flat on the bottom. Ready? And let's raise the hips and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Relax the hip on the floor. And then our last one is the plank. So there are different options for the plank. Because this is level 2, I'm going to do the easier option. So I will show you first, and then we'll do it together. Most of you know how to do the plank if you've been with me for a while, but I am going to do a bit of an easier version than what you might be used to, just because we're going to be going up level to level each week. So first level with the plank is you can have your knees down, bring them up. As you get tired, bring them down. Okay, so you can just kind of go back and forth. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you can do the full plank for the 30 seconds. Ready? Let's get started. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to bring my knees down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring them up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bring them down. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bring them up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If you need to, bring them down. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and come down. And that is it for level 2. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. You can do that every day if you want to try and see a difference in the strength in your core. I will see you next week for the following level, and you can just move up levels whenever you feel ready as they come out, as the videos come out. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.